Hey guys, it's Geojerry. What's going on? Hope you're having a good day. Hope you're getting out doing some geocaching or out adventuring and whatnot. Anyway, hey, I'm Geojerry from Geojerry's Adventures, and today I am going to show you the gear I use. Last time I did this was way back last year, and my gear's kind of changed a little bit. I kind of modified things to make things work just a little bit better. So hey. Okay, so first things first is my camera. Here's what I use for my camera. I just use the Hero 3 Plus. It's what I have, it's what I use, and it's my go-to camera. Easy to carry around, does an okay job filming, you know. I mean, it's not the most superior grade, but hey, it does a job. And all I can say is this, look, if you want to do YouTube and all you have is a GoPro or your phone, go for it, do it. That's what I say. Just do what you can do, use what you have, and you're set and ready to roll. It films, I can publish on the YouTube, I'm set and ready to go. All right, so anyway, so I use the Hero 3 GoPro. The back of it, notice there's no viewfinder. This thing was so irritating to use before I got my viewfinder that I didn't use it because I hated going through the buttons. It just drove me crazy. It was annoying and bothersome. Then I bought the viewfinder. It's an official GoPro viewfinder for the Hero 3 Plus, and it probably goes for the other ones too that don't have viewfinders. I don't know. But all I can say is this viewfinder was a godsend. All I have to do is take it and click it on the back, just like so. So I have the viewfinder on the back, turn it on. Okay, so I have the viewfinder for it, which makes a world of difference. The case I use is this aluminum sublimeware case, and this thing is pretty amazing because I could just pop this puppy right in like so, tighten it down, hook this on any of my tripods, and I have my camera. I have my video camera ready to go, and it's looking right at me, and I'm ready and set. And I've used it enough that I know how to set it up so that I'm in the frame. Thing is, microphone. It's right there. Doesn't do the greatest job with the microphone like this, but cool thing is I have this little mount right here, and I got the Rode Video Micro. Check that puppy out. This thing's amazing. Okay, so I got the Rode Video Micro, and what I do is I place it, oops, right there on my camera. So just like that. And then I had to go and buy this adapter. So the black part here, this part here, I had to buy this adapter that goes to the GoPro, plug it in just like so. So it came with this red cord here, plugs into the microphone, and into the connector, and then boom, there is my vlogging setup, just like that. But sometimes we have wind, a lot of wind. And with this, it'll catch wind noise. So the wind muffler, I don't know what it's called, but pop that puppy on. It's probably a wind cat. And now I have my wind set up. So now if it's windy, it doesn't catch all the wind. It just catches my voice, looking right at it. So the other setup I use is this here, goes into the car, and then this shoots in the car. So I have car footage. I just chuck that into the car, and then boom, I can film with that. So there's that. Another thing I do is I purchased this item right here. This is a TELESIN. That's just the company name, and I don't even know what it's an adapter. That's what I'll call it, adapter. What you do is this comes off the back. I take this adapter. So say I want to do some vlogging with just my camera. I plug this into the back like so. Turn it around. I take my viewfinder. I plug it in. Just like that, and now I have the viewfinder and camera, and I can see myself set up in the frame itself, so I can film myself. The problem is it doesn't work with this because the aluminum comes out too far. It does work with this one though, so I can use it with this. So anyway, there's another setup that I use. Now, my last setup is probably one of my favorite setups. So let me go ahead and grab the very last setup. And for this last setup, I have to have the back connected to that. Okay, so the last setup I use is my FeiyuTech SPG. SPG gimbal. Okay, this one, I was gonna get the G7, I believe is what it was. But my mother-in-law ended up getting me this one. And I think I like this one because I can use it for my GoPro, and I can use it for my Droid too, my S5. I found that this right here was too wide and my GoPro wouldn't fit. But once I attach this attachment to it, like that foam attachment, I can then attach my GoPro. Now the thing is, I had to use the backing on it because it was covering my power button or my record button. So I found that the back of the viewfinder on it helps a lot. Plus I can see there as well. All right. Let's see if I can turn this on. Let's see, I gotta turn it this way, I think. Let's see. Let's see if I turn this on real fast. And yep, there we go. And there we go. We have our GoPro. When I wasn't using the backing on it, the GoPro was vibrating. It was really annoying. And I thought, oh man, this isn't gonna work. But once I put the back on it and got it away from all the motors and stuff, it made a huge difference. So there it is. And those are my setups I use for doing my my video making, my vlogging if I want to call it, or movie making, or whatever it is I call it. That's what I use. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, thanks. Give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, sorry. I did my best. Remember, I'm not a professional. This is the first kind of, well, okay, second type of tech, not even tech review, just a show off, what I have, what I'm doing, what I use. All right, anyway, hey, do me a favor, though. Thumbs up, I already said that. Hey, if you can subscribe, that'd be really cool. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. My goal is trying to get that 200, and I can sure use your help if you're not a subscriber. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It'll be up there eventually if it's not already up there. And with that, you guys, hey, thanks a lot for watching, and